Hello hackers, today I'm going to hack a website and take control over the server, escalate my privileges, and become root. Send, and if we render, we get PHP info executed, which means that we have essentially performed remote code execution. Welcome back. In the previous video, we've gained remote code execution on the target server. Probably we could inject whatever we wanted here. For example, we can say, hey, I want to run a system command using the get parameter named the hackerish. If you're interested in learning more about these techniques, if you are interested in pursuing an ethical hacker career, then I encourage you to head over to academy.thehackerish.com. There you will find online courses that you can enroll to and just find a suitable course for you. It should give you a great start. Okay. So again, we send this request. We get one in the response, and now if we list the content of the uploads file or the uploads directory and look for anything that has PHP, the first one is the latest one. I'm not sure if we've got a new file. It's always the same file. Okay, let's refresh. Okay, it's the same file. Let's verify if we can use it. So that was our request here. No, PHP info. So it seems that the file has not been uploaded. Why? Okay. Is there any CSRF token here? No, I don't think so. Okay. Let's actually change this to just echo the hackerish and see what we get. So if we go back to uploads, yeah. So we've only been able to upload one file. Okay, let me just try to change the file name instead of this. Change it to the hackerish. Oops. Yep, hackerish.php sounds good to me. And send it. Now if we load the list of pages, okay, I think the ID here has changed. I'm not sure, but I think it has changed. Okay, let's verify. So this is our new file name, and if we run this, okay, it says it's not found. Oh, yeah, there it is. There's our new one. I guess it's related to some kind of caching mechanism. Do we have any caching headers here? No. Okay, I guess it's taking a little bit of time to load. So here we have the hackerish with our prefix. With a quote. I'm not sure why this quote has been added, but yeah, let's just go with it. And paste in our value here. Send, and normally we should have Okay, yeah, I need to add .php at the end. And it says no, not found. Okay, if we try just this one, not found. Yeah, so the file has been uploaded apparently, but there has been some modification of our input in order to include double quote, which is not what we've expected when we first uploaded our first PHP file. So PHP info, and let's change this maybe to a number. I guess maybe the code checks if the file name contains a number. I'm not sure. And let's just go back here to our system command. If it works, then we would be able to run our command. So here we're going to target a get parameter called th and see if we get back any commands. All right, let's try once more with the uploads directory. So we have this double quote added at the end. Actually, let's try with something else, like use a new ID. Oh, I see. I was just doing like I had mistyped the value. It should be between quotes. Okay, hopefully this would work now. I think we need to just be a little bit patient. Yep, so this is our new value. Let's verify if we can run arbitrary commands. Okay, put it right here. So here we get nothing, and that's because we need the get parameter. And if we type ID, voila, we have remote code execution on the server using a unrestricted file upload vulnerability. We've been lucky actually, because that was the first feature I tested, but there are obviously other features in this backend. Apparently we can go fetch albums. No, yeah, we can click here, and this change the page parameter changes to albums. Avatars. So here we have the page album/images where ID equals 1. I wonder if I type 2 minus 1, what would happen? Yeah, the value changes, which means that it's not probably vulnerable to SQL injection, but if we just type something like this, we might get a 500 error, but nope. Everything seems working nicely. We have no sign of vulnerability. Oh, we have another upload here. Okay. So we can create a new album, give it a name. Maybe it would be vulnerable to cross-site scripting. I'm not sure. But I think we've gained initial access using the first file upload vulnerability. So I'm just going to go real quick on the remaining features. So in this upload, in this album, we can actually upload a new file. And if we choose the same arrow as before and save, here is our save album. No, this is the save album. And where is my file upload? Yeah, here it is. It accepts an array of images, and the file name is this one. So I guess if we are also lucky, we can abuse this, so I let this as an exercise for you guys to test if it's vulnerable to unrestricted file upload vulnerability. And what else? Yeah, so we had, remember the gallery uploads folder. I wonder what we have underneath. Uploads, yeah, okay, so our file, then user1 is what I wanted to see. So apparently we have here the folders that correspond to each album. So the first album, we have the images, and yeah, the last album is the one I've created with the path. Okay. So I guess maybe there might be a command injection here, because there is a folder that gets created. Maybe the developer is using a operating system command to create the file or the folder of the album. I'm not sure, but we are going to learn that in the near future, because now that we have remote code execution on the server, we can actually inspect the source code, and that would be a really, really interesting section, which we are going to discover shortly. So if you want to learn how to get from here to elevating your access and doing some code review, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you receive the video once it's uploaded. All right? See you next time. Bye-bye.